Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and protecting components. Back up the iMac with Time Machine or an external drive, then power off and unplug. Put on an anti-static strap and place the iMac face up on a soft towel. Remove the glass with suction cups, sliding a plastic spudger to separate it if needed. Some models require heating adhesive. Use a heat gun at low setting. Keep screws organized by location so you can reverse the process later. Once the panel or display is off, carefully open the chassis and locate the hard drive assembly. Make sure you photograph cable routing and connector orientation to aid reassembly. Use Torx drivers to remove the drive's mounting screws and support brackets. Hold the drive as you disconnect the SATA and power connectors by pulling the connectors, not the wires. If a thermal sensor cable is present, detach it gently. Set the drive aside on an anti-static surface and keep screws labeled for their original positions. Lift the drive straight out of its bay and remove any adapter brackets or foam isolators. If installing a new drive or SSD, transfer mounting hardware and connect the SATA and power cables exactly as photographed. Secure the drive with its screws. Reinstall the display or rear panel, reconnect power, and boot to confirm drive recognition before resealing the glass with adhesive or clips. Troubleshooting tip: if the Mac does not boot, reseat connectors and check that the drive appears in disk utility. Verify power and SATA connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.